The zombie girl group performed on stage, but the audience below kept booing. With their faces darkened, they struck various poses. 10 years ago, they held a concert at Tokyo Dome, but only 500 people showed up, and they ended up in debt because of it. Meanwhile, the music producer who had once been in charge of them was at a bar, drinking away his sorrows. He remembered the scenes from their training sessions and grew even angrier. He ran toward the concert hall with all his might. At that moment, the girls had just finished singing a song, but the audience wasn't interested. However, they still had one more song to perform. Just then, the producer arrived. He went wild, shouting encouragement from the crowd to the girls on stage. Someone punched him, but his voice only grew louder. Two other old fans joined in and started chanting slogans. The three of them got into a fight with the crowd. One zombie girl on stage was about to come down to help, but the producer stopped her. He told her that he was giving his all to help them get a chance to continue performing. "I'll take care of the music, and we'll start right now." As the song played, the chaos in the audience stopped. Everyone watched as the zombie girls on stage finished their performance.